welcome back to my channel, Fair May Art Makeup Tutorials. And today what I will be doing for you guys, excuse my messy sink, I need to clean it, but what I'm going to be doing today is using the Garnier Skin Active BB Cream and L'Oreal Paris Hydra Genius Face Daily Moisturizer, see, and order to get this. So what you do is you take, I took a lipstick bottle and emptied it out. It was pretty much full. It was matte. It was that matte lipstick, and it was a really orangey pink, and it was too orangish for me. So, and I didn't like how the way it felt on my lips, so I just took them off, and you could see kind of well, you could kind of see like that pinkish ring. That's how it looked. So it took me a while to empty it out, but I finally did. And then I took this BB cream, and it's very runny, but that's like the color of it. I wanted to make a highlighter out of it. Sorry, I had to screw it back on. So I kind of wanted to make a lighter one, and I've heard that you could do that with a moisturizer. So I took my Aunt's moisturizer, and I put the moisturizer in it first, and then I put some of this in there. Oops. And then I couldn't shake it because shaking it wouldn't really work. So instead what I did was I used this long stick for kebabs, and I went in it and stirred it around and everything like that until it's done. And then I would go like that on my hand to make sure it's the tone I want and everything like that. I think I need to add some more moisturizer in it, because see, you can see the color. And the cats, I swear, seriously. I got a cat in here now. I think the reason why it's getting too peachy is because of this. Because I think the tint from the lip gloss or lipstick before is still on the brush, so I can always go back to using this, and it actually works pretty good. You just like stick it in there, and then you pull it out, and then you can put it on your like right here. You can just put it on there, and then you can just use your beauty blender to blend it on your face. So yeah, that's all you need. You just need a moisturizer, whatever foundation you want, and a separate container. I prefer an empty lip gloss case. How to get my cat down, sorry. So I highly recommend using an empty lip gloss case if you want to use a highlighter, a liquid highlighter, or a concealer, or whatever. So yeah, just need those three things, and yeah, that's it. That's all the things you need for the only things you need to make a lighter foundation or highlighter, if that's what you're looking for. So thank you, and please subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more videos. I'll be posting at least every week or every other week. And like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. So thank you.